proud of me and I've been doing a great job. So I treated myself to some damn $200 flip-flops. Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. My name is Janika. I hope everyone's day is going extremely well. Oh, this is me editing. Before y'all go any further, make sure to like this video already and go ahead and subscribe, because now I'm back, I'm happy, I'm settled into my spot. More videos are going to be coming. I'm gonna try to do this weekly. Try is the key word for that. We gonna try. Anyway, we are here today just to do like a quick little unboxing. I've been splurging, and part of the things that I've been getting is new things to better my appearance, to make me look a lot more polished, just to upgrade my lifestyle. I've moved, I've got me a condo, I got me a nice car. I want to start looking the part. I want to attract better things, better opportunities, better friendships, relationships, men, not really, whatever. I want to attract better for myself, so I feel like putting that money in, investing in myself to be a better person, to look more polished, to look more clean, I'm gonna do it. So my first like big girl luxury purchase was some Tory Burch shoes. So I bought this as like a, bitch, you doing a good job, bitch, you doing a good job.
Bitch, you doing a good job, bitch, you doing a good job. Bitch, you doing a good job, bitch, you doing a good job.
Type of gift to like encourage myself and to let me know that I'm proud of me and I've been doing a great job. So I treated myself to some damn $200 flip-flops. Now, one thing about me, like I've never owned like luxury anything. Like I never owned a luxury purse, never owned luxury shoes. I never paid more than $20 for some flip-flops, and I done paid $200 for these. And then I also ordered something else, and it just came in the mail, and I just want to do a cute little unboxing. So this is from Tory Burch. Well, I'll show you. The first thing I purchased from Tory Burch last month on my moving day to treat myself were these cute Miller sandals, 10 white toes and the Tory flip-flops. These are my summer sandals that I'm super excited to wear. This is my first like luxury big girl purchase. I was like really freaking out that I spent $200 on some shoes, but I'd already had my mind made up. Anyway, we are about to get into this unboxing. So it came in this box. I just picked it up from the office, and it comes with a cute little card on the top. It says, "Thank you. We hope you found exactly what you were looking for and that you love it. Tory Burch." I'll take this off. We got the receipt, of course, that comes with it. What did I get? First of all, okay. I did get some more sandals because I love those so much. And when I went into the store, I wanted the black ones, but they didn't have the black ones in. So I just got the tan colored ones, or the light makeup ones, and I love those. But of course, you know, with light color shoes like that, they get dirty really easy, and I just spent $200 on them sandals, so I'm not wearing them too often, and I'm not getting them dirty. That's why they in a duster, okay? $200 for some. Okay, anyway. I purchased some more sandals and then also a bag. So let's get into this unboxing. I'm gonna tell you exactly what I ordered. Hold on. I ordered the Miller sandals in black and a Chevron small camera bag. What are we gonna do first? What is we doing first? Let's do the shoes. We'll do the shoes first. It'll be better. No, because I want to show y'all how the shoes look on my feet. So we're going to do the purse first. I don't feel like, why I ain't getting no scissors? Okay, I got my nails. This wrapped so nice. Okay. Get all the papers off. Okay. They said we're going to wrap this good, okay? This is the bag that I purchased. This is the Chevron, a small camera bag. I got this bag in this color because of the shoes that I purchased. I feel like you have to have some shoes to match. Well, you need a bag to match your shoes. And if I'm gonna do this luxury thing, I'm like, I may as well go ahead and purchase me a nice bag to go with it. So I got it. Okay, so did I pay $358 for this? I do not remember. Is it on this receipt? I don't remember. I don't remember if I paid $358. No! Yes, I did. I thought I got the one on sale. I didn't. I did pay $358 for this. Okay, anyways. So I'm going to unwrap it fully, but I just wanted to show this is how it comes. It does retail for $358. I thought I got the one that was on sale, but I remembered it was only the red one and the blue one that was on sale, and they didn't go with the shoes. I needed a bag to go with the shoes, so I got this one instead. But anyway, this is how it comes. It's super cute, super nice. I want to unzip it and look inside. Of course, they stuffed it to the gods. Honey chat. We're gonna take this paper out. Oh, yay! How cute. It comes with a duster. We love that. We love to see it because it's, y'all see I keep my shoes in the duster. That definitely means the bag is gonna be in the duster too. Okay. Let's undo all of these. So this is how it looks on the inside. More paper. They gonna take care of their stuff. So it does have a zipper on this side, and it also has the logo inside of it as well. I bet you, like I guarantee it's about to be more paper in the zipper. Oh, it's not. Okay, anyway. But this is the zipper that comes inside of it. It also has little wallet pouches on the inside. Oh, more paper. Huh. It has two little slits on the side for probably like credit cards, license, anything. More paper. I'm just put some things here. I have like an endless supply of lip gloss and lip oil here. We're gonna try to put it in. We're gonna try to put the keys in there, some floss, and I also have my absolute favorite perfume, this YSL Black Opium. So let me see. Let me do the lip gloss and the gum first. I also have an endless supply of gum because I love gum. We're gonna just set these inside. My keys are very bulky. My goodness. Let's see how it comfortably fits in there. Also, I have my keys, my AirPod, wallet, just a bunch of junk. Honestly, I feel like that's honestly gonna take up most of the space. And then let me see if this black, okay, so we already like, with the keys alone, we're pretty much there. But then let's see if we can stuff this in here. Oh baby, yes, the Black Opium fits. I also carry like floss. You know, Jamal, my best friend is, I think he's like a dental hygienist, but he'd be like, this is not floss, whatever. It's placard. You can probably stuff some placards in here as well, chat. Woo! Cause you know when you go out to eat, one thing about me, I'm gonna eat. But when you go out to eat, thank you. You get food in your teeth, you need to go and reach for a placard, get that out, baby. We don't play no games. So, yes, I like this. This is so cute. We're gonna open the shoebox and then we'll just see how it all looks together in the mirror. So that's the purse. Leather, for sure leather with gold emblems, the gold zipper, gold straps. Well, this part is gold, and then this of course is leather that goes with this. Zipper definitely has gold in it as well. So this is really cute. What color is this? Devon Sand. Girl, how you say that? Devon sand. I don't know if this is Devon or Devon. It don't matter. It's a sand color. It's also like nude, pinkish, very light pink. It also goes with the light makeup Miller sandal. It's a nice touch. So let's get to these shoes. I'm gonna put this right here. Let's get to the shoes I got. Also comes with a duster. These definitely going in the duster because baby, $200 for some Sandals. Baby, these better last me for a good 5-10 years. I don't care. I need 5-10 years to wear out of these. Oh, they're so pretty. These are the Tory Burch Miller sandals. I'm a size 10. I'm 5'10". I'm really tall for a woman, so of course my feet is gonna be big, whatever. These are leather with gold buckles on it. Definitely has the gold pieces. These have a cushion that I really, really love. They came in leather and patent leather. I was trying to choose, I really couldn't decide, but I think with patent leather, that's the shiny material. And I feel like it's really hot in Atlanta. So walking in patent leather shoes in Atlanta and your feet getting sweaty, or if you got lotion on it, it'll feel really uncomfortable. I know your feet will start slipping and sliding, and I just was, and I think when they crease, it doesn't look very cute. I don't think they feel very comfortable. That's just what I think. I haven't really tried out a patent leather shoe to really know the truth, but that's just what I think in the other reviews that I've seen. So I went with the leather. My light makeup pair is also leather, not patent leather. They are both comfortable. I did wear these once before. Super comfortable. I had no problems. I always have an issue sometimes with like thong sandals because my big toe and then the second, does the second toe have a name? I don't know. The big toe and the second toe, there's space in between there, be hurting because it'll push up against this part so much, but I'm hoping like that's only because I was buying like $10, $20 sandals. If I'm paying $200 for some sandals, I need these to be extremely comfortable. And from wearing these pairs just once, they were extremely comfortable. I had no problems. I was in it for a good 4 hours. I do like the cushion. I do like that it's leather. It feels really good. This is the back of them, the front, the T emblem for Tory Burch. And I'm super excited. So let's see how these are going to look on my feet. I'm gonna bring the other pair out, the other sandal out as well. Let me do it this way. Got these pairs of shoes. So these are how the shoes look on me. As I said, I'm a size 10. They fit me perfectly. They do feel a little loose. Like if I just lift my toe up, it's like no support for them. I don't think these are like this in my light makeup pair, but they just seem real loose. You know, just do a quick little walk. Ooh, you heard it slapping on the back of the heel. So I'm putting on the light makeup pair, and they are just a lot more comfortable. Like, I don't know, these fit snug. Like, these don't hang off my foot. They don't feel loose. These are also a 10. They just feel so much more comfortable. And baby, do go with the purse. I just cannot get with how loose these are. Like, these are so not snug as they need to be. I'm gonna have to take them back up there and try to look for another pair because I can't. Like, I feel like when I'm walking, they're just gonna end up sliding right off my feet. Ooh, 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 ooh. Look at me. That's why I don't give myself nothing nice because I don't know how to act. But these are my favorite pair. Clearly. The black ones, I don't know if they're just mine or what, but I'm taking these back because I gotta figure out. I don't like that. I don't like how loose they are. So overall, I'm absolutely happy with the purchase of my bag. Like, I love this bag. I've been looking for a smaller bag because I just have this huge Telfar bag that's like the size of this, and I don't even want to take this everywhere. It don't go everywhere. You need a smaller bag to look cute, and you need a bag to go with your shoes. So I just went on and got it. Absolutely 100% love this Chevron camera bag. As far as the black pair of Miller sandals, leather, I don't know how I feel about it. I'm definitely going to the store to try on another pair to see, like, do they all fit this loose? Because I don't like that if they do. However, I love my light makeup pair of Miller sandals. Like, I don't have any issues with these. I have no problems whatsoever. I love these. I'm just not gonna wear them as much. That's why I need a black pair, because the black, it can get dirty and you won't even notice it. They don't wear out as quickly. The wear and tear marks don't show as they probably will as quickly on these. So I'm definitely going back to Tory Burch to try to see if all of the black pairs fit that loose. Do y'all's black sandals fit that loose, or is it just me? Is it just the pair that they sent me? I don't know. Let me know in the comments, but that is all I have for you guys today. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time.